Special thanks to Chrissy, who's back in town. Decided to come and help us out for the day. We're almost done with all these kits. So these are the last ones, which is, we're taking the PCK0D, which is, for some reason in the web store, I think for $139, and I think it's the same price on Amazon, but then they have the D kit, I'm sorry, PCK0. We're taking PCK0 kits and then we're converting them to the D kits, which is the dual amplifier kits. So just so you know. Oh no, I'm sorry, PCK0D is a discontinued kit because it doesn't have RCAs and speaker wire. This is all copper, 30 feet of 12 gauge. Is it 12 gauge? Let me make sure. I got some of that 12 gauge in stock too, by the way. It's only 20 bucks for 50 feet shipped. And I think we're getting some of the 16 gauge. We also have the CCA, which is more affordable. I think it's only $14 shipped for, yeah, this is 12 gauge. So it's 12 gauge, 30 feet. Yeah, 14 gauge, I'm sorry, CCA 12 gauge is only $14 shipped per 50 foot section. So, and I got a case of that because like somebody found out about it and they're like, oh my God, that's a good deal. I was like, oh, okay, send it. So we shipped out a lot of that this week. These are the Twisted Pair RCAs, very premium, the dual 0 gauge, all copper kit, premium, Echo Pro, all the whatever you want to say to them. Comes with all the good 2, 4, 6 channels worth of RCAs. They went with the copper colored. This is the light in here is giving a little bit of a yellow tinge. So, but this is bright copper, if you can't tell. And then these are the 4 gauge sections. So basically what you do is you run the power, which is 0 gauge, from your front battery to your back battery. Make sure that you put the fuse, which this kit comes with a 150, a 200, and a 300 amp full-size A&L feature. And if you look underneath, it also has a mini A&L feature. So this is already pre-loomed for underneath the hood, I think 6 feet. And then what you want to do is cut this, and then you use the Recoil branded heat shrink to heat shrink around it so that the mesh doesn't go all over the place when you're putting it through the fuse holder, which you should put within 12 inches of the front battery. Then you run this all the way to the back battery, and here you go. Here you have some, I think this is called the DB14 or DBG, something like that. They're in the store, in the online. I don't think they sell them on Amazon anymore. But it's just a distribution block. I think it has a removable top. There we go. Pretty simple. 0 gauge in and then 4 gauge out. So you do 1 for power, 1 for ground, and then from there you can divvy this up to go to your bass amp and your highs amp. And then sometimes you get a cheaper amp that doesn't have set screws, and so you need some nice heavy duty lugs, and you can crimp these, which I recommend. I don't really recommend solder, but some people solder. I don't recommend that for high power. Solder is really good for like speaker level type of stuff or small electronics. It's not really great for big power stuff because sometimes the solder can cause problems. Resistance. This was my input right here. I'm famous for this now. A self-tapper. This looks like a 5 or 6 millimeter, which is equivalent to like a 1/4 20. It comes with a boot grommet, which is a little different than just usually they look like that. And then this has a little like strain relief, which is nice. So, and then probably this goes towards the engine. And then there's the flat side that comes on the interior, because you really don't want this waggling out when you're coming on the interior. You want it to bend real quick. And then the other fuses, some tie wraps, and I think that's it. So this is like a deluxe kit, and it's on sale right now. I noticed in the store for only $120. or 129. Yeah, $129, which is $10 cheaper than the regular kit, which I thought was kind of cool. I don't work for Recoil. I am just sort of like their biggest fan, and I do free marketing for them. They give me good deals. I do this work for them, and I also do some of their Amazon returns and things like that. The other thing I do, like today, some of the kits for some reason showed up with either no fuse holder or no distributions blocks in them, and luckily I had some here that we just swapped out and was able to add to the kit so that we could finish them and get them going. Tomorrow morning I'm heading down there to drop off a big load of these kits, and hopefully we want to get them done by the end of the month, so that because typically here in Phoenix we have what's called a monsoon season, and it usually starts right around July 4th, beginning of July. We get a little bit of sprinkle, and then what's been typical, not really in the past 5 years, but 10, 20 years ago, we used to get these big dust storms. We don't normally get them anymore. So I think it's called the heat island effect. There's so much metropolitan area with so much blacktop and sidewalks everywhere. It keeps the clouds from forming and moving over the city, over the sprawl that is the Phoenix metropolitan area. So, but I don't know why I was talking about that. I guess I'm just tired. We did a whole bunch of kits today, and I felt really glad. I helped Chrissy out. She needed some gas money, so I had her follow me down to Costco, and I think it was $5.34 a gallon, even at Costco. It's like, holy shit. So I mean, whatever. It's totally worth it. I don't have any sympathy for anybody that complains about gas prices. There are electric cars, and you can finance them, and then you can even power your electric car off of solar. So there you go. But it comes in a cool box, and what we do is we put it together. I think I showed you in the other video, but it's got a nice handle. I don't know why it's got a handle, but it does. It's so heavy you got to carry it like a suitcase. It's kind of funny. And then it's got the brand on it, and then, oh yeah, here you go. Here's all the specs and stuff. So, oh, it's 20 feet. Oh, that's good. That's good for like SUVs. A lot of the guys that have the extended Suburbans, and also the Ford version. I forget what it's called. It's not Explorer. Is it the Explorer? I don't know. It's not called Explorer. No, it's called something. Expedition. That's what it's called. And so that's really handy for those guys. Let's see, 3 feet of ground, 5 feet of the 4 gauges, and then 16, basically 17 feet, 16.4 feet, and then 30 feet of 12 gauge speaker cable. I'm not sure why they didn't put OFC copper to note that it's, maybe they just ran out of room. I don't know. But that's one of the things that's really rare, especially with copper being, I think last time I checked, it was still like $4.80 a fucking pound. That's a lot. And if you remember, the last time that copper was high was when China was building the Three Gorges Dam, because their demand for copper was high. At least that's what their justification was for. Sometimes you notice they'll make up a reason, like right now, inflation. So it's all bullshit. The problem is that if everybody buys into the bullshit, then it becomes a reality, which is sort of like the laws in America. It's like, if we all just, it's not corruption if the judge is in on it, and the police are in on it, and the prosecutors are in on it, and the jailers are in on it. If everybody's in on it and holds the line, then yeah, we'll just put black people in jail because we need the money. So it's horrible. But again, what are you going to do? Wow. What if I've been watching TikTok lately, and what you can do is sue for their fucking bond. You learn about that. Google that. Suing cops for their bond, suing prosecutors for the bond, suing judges for their bond. Basically, what happens is if they get sued for their bond too many times, which is probably like it's strike one and then strike none. Then after the second time, they're like they fire them because they're like a liability to the insurance company. So, and if you ever want to get it really deep down the rabbit hole, look into the insurance companies that fund and back all the bonds for, and we're talking about a bond that's like an insurance bond for each employee And remember, an employee is a possession. So this is property and possessions of the state or of the municipality and all that kind of shit. Sorry, that's deep down a fucking TikTok rabbit hole. But anyways, we'll back to this. DB14, that's what it's called. DB14, which is 1 in, 4 out. 0 gauge input, 4 gauge / 8 gauge output. Yeah, I guess so. Distribution blocks, 4 gauge spade lugs. Very nice. 18 gauge. One little spade connector. Where is it at? There it is. You put the boot on it so it looks cool. I like it when they do the blue boots. I think they're fancier. So, but that's it. I wanted to show you that. And, and then of course I get them cheaper for you guys. So I think it's, again, I think it's 130 on the website. And then I think on Amazon, they're going to be doing them for about 150, which is still cheaper than everybody else. So, and of course, if you get them from me, I think I can do them for 120 shipped. And I don't know if we can fit all this in a priority mail, but we can definitely try. Worst case is we can do them for like 140 shipped to Hawaii and Alaska, because I know I have a lot of guys that, you know, it's tough. It's tough getting good shit up there. So, and I want to help you guys. But I love you. I'm going to bed. I'm going to wash my balls and start fresh tomorrow and get on down to, oh, that's right. I'm going to get Brian laid. That's going to be good. So big treat for Brian. And just so you know, that's what real friends do for one another. They help them get laid. And always remember, handy's not hate. As a reminder about men's health, little known fact that dogs in this country, it's recommended they get a hand job every 6 months, and humans 0. So let's fix that. That's a big problem. And again, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Every exit interview with these school shooters, there you go, hand jobs. That's what we need in the school system. So you're paying that fucking school nurse to do something. She better do something, you know, and then, you know, maybe get some of the administrator girls, you know, with the FUPA and all that stuff to help out, or just do it like anonymous, like they just put their arm through there and stroke little, you know, with little wieners and stuff like that. Just so, you know, get that poison out, you know. And I know it sounds gross, and I know people are like, oh, Patrick, you're horrible, blah, blah, blah. I'm telling you, when guys get that nut, we're good. I mean, at that age, I was good for maybe 20, 30 minutes. But, you know, now it's like, I'm good for the week. Like, I don't want to hurt anybody. I just want to love. I want to hug. I want to snuggle. Maybe eat some cereal. And that's the key to our success. You want to keep men engaged and productive. That's what men are good at. So anyways, I love you guys. I will talk to you later.